Afternoon again, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're back. This is hive number 306 dead tree right now. They'll all be renumbered. But you can see the bees coming in and out. Their little hole. Get out with them. Out their little hole there. Right there. Okay. Now this is down here at the bottom. See if you winter, you see them going in with the pollen? So we'll be back. And keep getting my head in the way here. Yeah, that's down at the bottom to where they are. It's got a screen on the bottom, and they've got the paper pulled out and got some sugar down there. Okay, we're gonna fix all that though. Okay. Can you hear them? Can you see them? Oh yeah. They've taken the paper out. See them? All the paper's gone. Got a little bit of pollen left in there. And the bees. Okay. That's what you want your hives to look like. Now before we go too far, we're going to take the screen off and check and see what we got in there. In the wintertime, when the weather's like this, we can okay, they get fired up.